Talofalava, a lot ingoa o Mitchell, o kingofu I Australia. I've been doing this Samoan course now with Lonnie for about 6 months. Man, my Samoan has improved so much. Yeah, highly recommend this course to anyone really, but especially for those who lost the language when they were younger. This 21 days challenge it's really a good way to get back into speaking around your friends and family and to impress the loved ones. Even to people who just want to learn Samoan, I would highly recommend. There's not really any other opportunity to learn Samoan online anywhere else, like as effective as what this is. So yeah, I just want to encourage anyone who's been thinking about relearning or just learning it in general to just give it a go. Lonnie's a very good teacher, he's very encouraging, and yeah, you won't regret it. Fa!